inspire all the other people to come and clear their little toes. So yes, we're done with the big T's now. So what we're going to look at now is pain. And I'm really hoping that somebody's in pain, because otherwise I'm not sure how we're going to demonstrate this part of the workshop. So when we think about pain and how EFT works with pain, a bit like I said at the beginning, we're operating on very old programming about our minds and our bodies. And pain is a really interesting one, because if we think about a headache and that pain, and we've all been there, haven't we? Those really dull, aching headaches where you just have to lie down in a darkened room. The brain actually doesn't have any pain receptors in the head. So what's that pain about? I can't get my head around that. And again, it's that old paradigm of what pain is. Like if you hit your nail with a hammer, you're going to expect it to hurt, and it will hurt. And when we look at the body, particularly around pain and illness, we're almost looking to see what's the problem with the body. There's actually nothing necessarily wrong with the body. The body knows how it can heal itself. It's what's going on underneath.